Hallo liebe Leute. So today's session we will discuss about modal verben means modal verb. So here the sentence formation for the normal sentence like subject plus modal verb plus object plus other like or other plus verb. Verb will be in original form when we use modal verb like modal verb will be changed according to the subject. So subject plus modal verb. So when we change the subject, then modal verb change according to the subject. So we always use conjugative of modal verb according to the subject. And the second one is a sentence formation for the question mark. Like first we use modal verb, then subject, and then object, then under, then verb, and verb always in original form plus question mark. So modal verb will be changed according to the subject and verb will be original form when we use modal verb. So here we see some modal verb like first one is müssen. It means to must. Müssen, to must. Ich muss, wir müssen, sie müssen, du musst, ihr müsst, sie es muss, sie müssen. Ich muss, wir müssen, sie müssen, du musst, ihr müsst, sie es muss, sie müssen. Dürfen means to may. Darf, ich darf, wir dürfen, sie dürfen, du darfst, ihr dürft, sie es darf, sie dürfen. Mögen means to like. Ich mag, wir mögen, sie mögen, du magst, ihr mögt, sie es mag, sie mögen. Möchten means would like to. Ich möchte, wir möchten, sie möchten, du möchtest, ihr möchtet, sie es möchte, sie möchten. So here we see in for example for the wir or sie, we always use original form of the modal verb like müssen, dürfen, mögen, möchten. But when we use ich, then like muss, darf, mag, möchte. But for the do, like we use st at the end of the modal verb like muss, darfst, magst, möchtest. And rz as same as a e like muss, muss, darf, mag, möchte, möchte. Let's see some other modal verb. So können, to can. Ich kann, wir können, sie können, du kannst, ihr könnt, sie es kann, sie können. Wollen, to will. Ich will, wir wollen, sie wollen, du willst, ihr wollt, sie es will, sie wollen. Sollen means to should. Ich soll, wir sollen, sie sollen, du sollst, ihr sollt, sie es soll, sie sollen. Let's see some examples like example which is called Beispiel in German, and normally we use z.b. So here two sentence formation like for the normal sentence and question mark sentence. So let's see some examples. Ich muss morgen arbeiten. So in this case like ich which is subject, muss which is modal verb, and morgen which is under or others, and arbeiten which is original verb. So here we can see when we use modal verb, then verb will be original form at the end, and muss which is modal verb will be changed according to the subject like ich, so we use muss. It means ich muss morgen arbeiten. So I must work tomorrow. Ich muss meine Ausbildung in Deutschland machen. So machen is here verb and which is in original form, and muss which is modal verb and which is changed according to the subject. So like ich muss. So here we use ich. Modal verb will be muss. Ich muss meine Ausbildung. meine, because Ausbildung which is in their article. So meine Ausbildung in Deutschland machen. Ich muss meine Ausbildung in Deutschland machen. It means I must do my education in Germany. So this for sentence for by using the müssen modal verb like ich muss we use. Second example like here darf man nicht rauchen. So rauchen which is verb and which is here in original form. So darf which is modal verb and which is changed according to the subject. So here darf man nicht rauchen. It means one is not allowed to smoke here. May I come in? It means darf ich reinkommen? Darf ich reinkommen? Like darf which is modal verb and ich which is subject and reinkommen which is verb and we use in original form. So by using dürfen modal verb we have this four sentence and now other example like ich mag Bier trinken. It means I like to drink beer. So ich here subject, mag which is modal verb and trinken which is verb. So ich mag Bier trinken. I like to drink beer. Ich mag die Schokoladen essen. Ich mag die Schokoladen essen, which is means I like to eat chocolates. So these four sentences by using the mögen modal verb. Let's other example as well as ich möchte die Banana essen. Ich möchte die Banana essen. It means I would like to eat banana. Ich möchte nach Spanien fahren. Ich möchte nach Spanien fahren. I would like to drive to Spain. So these four sentences by using the möchten modal verb. Rohit kann sehr gut Deutsch sprechen. Here Rohit is subject, kann which is a modal verb, sehr gut Deutsch which is andere or others, and sprechen which is verb and which we here use in original form. So Rohit kann sehr gut Deutsch sprechen. It means Rohit can speak good German. Wir können sehr gut Cricket spielen. We can play very good cricket. So all for this sentence by using the können verb, modal verb. Martin will seine Freundin heiraten. Martin which is subject, will which is modal verb and heiraten which is verb and original form. It means Martin want to marry his girlfriend. Martin will seine Freundin heiraten. Ich will ein Handy einkaufen. Ich will. Ich which is subject, will which is modal verb and einkaufen which is verb and here we use in original form. Ich will ein Handy einkaufen. It means I want to buy a mobile. So these four sentences by using the wollen modal verb. Monika soll zu Hause bleiben. Sie ist krank. Monika which is subject, soll which is modal verb and bleiben which is verb and sie ist krank. It means Monika should stay at home. She is sick. Like Monika soll zu Hause bleiben. Sie ist krank. Sollen wir die armen Leute helfen? Sollen which is modal verb, wir which is subject and helfen which is a verb. It means should we help poor people? So by sollen here for sentences. Important information in the video description there is a link to study resource material for a deep understanding and the material for the practice. Feel free to get in touch with us if you have any questions or if the even exam is coming up and you need a support. You can schedule a free exam practice session with our team. So you need to contact on info.tglobaleducation@gmail.com. Thanks for the watching video and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.